Okay, this slide, I'm not even going to give it a specific name. I don't know if it's already a name, so let's just go with this. With this slide, I consider this a mix between the magic slide and the soul slide. And the slide that I'm going to be showing you / teaching you is this. What you're doing is putting force on that outer leg. So, quick demonstration. And what I consider this is a speed checker. So, you got the parallel, you've got the magic slide, you got the power slide, and any other slides that you want to do, including the T-drive. But I would say use this when you are just trying to check your speed. Check meaning either maintain a certain speed or slow it down a bit. And the way to do it is simply you skate, you get low, that means you stop striding, so you get low, and you push one of your feet out, you push that out, and when you push that out and you exert the force on it, you just slightly twist your other foot in to kind of like cave you in, like you're doing like a cave-in type maneuver. So you're like, see that slight? That's what you want to do. Always wear your wheels in first before attempting any slides, because once you got your wheels worn in, any slide becomes easier. Think about it like this. If you are on a wet surface, it's easy to slide around. But if you're on something hard and grippy, then you have to exert more force in order to get a slide out of it. So if your wheels are already good to slide, then you don't have to put in much force in order to initiate a slide. I can't stress this enough. Always make sure that your wheels are already worn in so that you can slide easily. That's mostly it. With anything, you just gotta practice it, because the more you do anything, the better you get at it. I like to tell people, think of it like this. When you go to a job and you're first learning, you don't know what to do. But before you know it, you've done the job enough. And when a new employee comes in, now you can teach them how to do that job. But beforehand, you didn't know yourself. So remember that. It's simply practice. You get used to it. It becomes muscle memory. You ingrain it in you, and then you can share it. Thank you for watching, and always continue to skate on.